This is your CBS 46 News Update, brought to you by West Shore Home.
I'm Rick Volbaum. Midnight is the deadline for the state to complete those ballot recounts. During a press conference earlier today, Secretary of State Brad Raffensperger trying to prove to the country that there was no voter fraud in Georgia and says he's going after advocacy groups that break the rules. So far, 132 counties are done, 27 more to go. A county-by-county result list will be posted on the Secretary's website. President Trump hinted at plans to run again in 2024 if he continues to lose court cases challenging the election, as seems more than likely. Today, Attorney General Bill Barr announcing the Department of Justice has not seen fraud on a scale that could have affected a different outcome in the election, but the Trump campaign still disagrees.
The president has said that he believes all legal votes should be counted and all illegal votes should not be counted. And in fact, the campaign is pursuing that litigation.
Meanwhile, President-elect Joe Biden focusing on the economy and working to get a stimulus package approved. Right now, several businesses across the country continue to struggle during the pandemic. Back here in Georgia, former Atlanta City Council member Kwanzaa Hall has won a runoff election to briefly fill the seat in Congress of the late civil rights icon John Lewis. He beat former Morehouse College President Robert Franklin in a runoff election for Georgia's 5th congressional district. After about a month, he'll hand over the responsibilities to Representative-elect Nikema Williams, who will serve a full 2-year term. Democratic nominee for the Senate Jon Ossoff continues to travel around Metro Atlanta to make sure that everybody who's able registers to vote. The deadline to vote before the January 5th runoff is Monday, December 7th. Today he held a meet and greet for voters in Decatur. Now to the latest on the coronavirus. As our nation waits for vaccine authorization, Great Britain got the green light today. That means British citizens will be the first in the world to receive the Pfizer coronavirus vaccine, and health experts say doses of it will start being administered as early as next week. Now to the latest coronavirus cases here in Georgia. Today, more than 4,000 new cases of the virus, bringing the total to nearly 429,000 confirmed cases across our state. The World Health Organization encourages everyone 12 and older to wear a face mask when you're unable to socially distance. Governor Kemp meeting with leadership from several Georgia hospitals today to hear about the challenges that they're facing. Wellstar was just one of the health systems represented at the roundtable with the governor. They are starting to see increases in COVID patients now at a peak and at the level that they saw in July. The hospital group president from Emory Healthcare says that they are tending to see younger patients than before and fewer needing to go into the ICU. Now to a CBS 46 crime alert out of Atlanta. Multiple shootings overnight, leaving 3 people dead just miles apart. Around 11 last night, a shooting started in a parking lot of a recording studio near Campbellton Road and Fairburn Road. When investigators arrived on the scene, they found 2 men dead and the shooters long gone. The other deadly shooting happened almost 2 hours earlier down Campbellton Road after an argument. 1 man was left dead. Another one is still in the hospital, and right now the search continues for at least 3 shooters. For the latest news updates, download our powerful CBS 46 streaming app. It's free to download from the Apple App Store and Google Play.
This has been your personal news update from CBS 46 News, brought to you by West Shore Home, Atlanta's one-day bath remodeler.